Hello, this is me Abdullah Shahmir and I teach ONA Levels Sociology. Sociology is the study of society and is the mother of social sciences. If you have a plan to accelerate your higher studies in psychology, education management, media, religious studies and business, this subject is for you. In AS level, you are going to study about sociological perspectives, methods of research, and the socialization and the creation of social identity. You are going to understand how interaction occurs within individuals and within social institutions, and why the social institutions are important for this world. A-level sociology is a combination of applied sociology and the philosophy and the logic. In A2 level, we are going to study about education, media, religion, and global development. Your A-level subject combination is a final step towards higher education. So this is very important to develop combination as per your further education plan. If you have a plan with psychology, so you can have sociology, psychology, and English language. And if you have a plan towards law, so you can have law, sociology, English language, or any other subject. Business is also helpful for you. If you have a plan for BBA or management sciences, you can have sociology, business studies, and economics. You can take this subject as a private candidate and as an accelerated subject also. But it's my kind request, start studying from day one. It will be helpful for you.